Alright, we're starting the beginning of the trip now. Are you guys ready?
No.
Hey, how much time we have left?
23 hours and 54 minutes.
Yeah!
Woo! Rock and roll all night. Angelica.
That guy's got a dog on the back of his Harley.
Alright, so right now we're stopped in, what's this place called again?
I don't know. It's a good question.
We're stopped somewhere right now, and it's beautiful. Check it out. We were supposed to take a turn onto right there. This spud driving took a wrong turn. Stay. Stay.
You take a picture by every state sign.
Stay. Okay, get it.
Every state. You mean like stop the car?
You tell them what you did. You fell in the freaking water. You got your ass all dirty, huh? Tail's all dirty, huh? You think your tail's all freaking dirty so you can sit in the car. Sit in my car like that. Cheese and rice.
Last flood warning. Travels through Kansas.
I see like going over to the left. Whoa! Get that?
I don't know.
Traffic. It's going pretty good so far. Everyone, chill out! What do you think, Devin?
What?
What do you think? What do you think your trip's up?
Oh, it's great. My back is fucked, and I think I'm losing my mind. It's going good.
Yeah. What do you think, Yuki? Oh, that's not very nice. You shouldn't say that. Baby. All right, so we're about 2 hours away. Kiss that in the hand?
Oh.
Ah, stop it!
Kidding.
As I was saying, we're 2 hours out. We're ready to freaking go. You ready to go, Matt?
It's been 2
Button on.
Yeah.
Are you sure? All right.
Dog bumper that.
Geez, do you know how to fix that? Why is it dark?
Yeah, we thought we were gonna have to stop, but we fucking suffered.
The Meat Man residence, the myth, the legend, the Meat Man.
Heard it here, folks. About to see some touristy shit.
Oh shoot, where are you taking us, James?
We're gonna go see Manitou Springs. We're gonna see Red Rocks, Garden of the Gods. Gonna go up Gold Camp Road. Be good.
Huge.
You guys excited? Are you excited? No kidding, are you serious? Tell me more about it. No way. That's awesome. What about you?
Excited as shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Sketchy road! Yeah! Freaking one-lane road. This freaking truck is taking up the whole road.
This is a terrifying corner.
Yeah, it is.
Well, they get much worse.
All it takes is one.
No way, it gets worse?
Road narrows.
And what do you have to back up to pass people on this road?
No way.
I can have a picture to do this fucking justice.
That's about as far as I can get.
Dude, we can make it up this. Look at this thing.
Dude, that's so
Yeah, we can make it up that. Yep, yep. Unfortunately, Yuki can't make it up this because it's so steep. Check it out. Steep as heck. How high are we?
Dude, we are Colorado high, man.
All right, man. Freaking sweet up here.
Freaking sweet.
Look at this. Ready? 360 view.
You got the city.
Getting up was easy. Getting down. It's gonna be the hard part, eh, James?
That's right.
Look at this. I don't know if you can really tell. It's like a slide. I don't know where I'm gonna get any traction. These mother yucks couldn't even get up here and help us. They climbed all by ourselves. You got it, buddy. Go, Snowball. Come on. Go. Straight.
That almost fell right here.
Adventure stud. Old Uke boy made it. Let's go down, Yuki.
I think we're just like, I don't know how the fuck it does. I know that's the road, I just don't know you this route.
What a
How far have
champ.
you gone on it?
Multiple times.
You make it down there, buddy? Let's go this way. Go this way. Come down this way. Good job. Whoa! Shit! He just pulled me.
Kids smoke pot and drink beer next to you.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's romantic.
Dude, it sets the atmosphere.